And this is how modern factories produce McDonald's professional kitchen knives from start to finish.
Laser etching adds identification marks used across global McDonald's kitchens. Spray coaters add a protective finish that withstands heavy restaurant use.
Each branded knife now enters rigorous quality evaluation.
Every pallet is logged and stored for distribution.
Finish checks ensure a flawless final appearance. Only fully approved knives move to sample verification.
Every knife begins with premium stainless steel, arriving in massive coils.
The protective wrap is removed into Lorslandsrud to reveal raw knife-grade steel. From here, the coil feeds straight into automated inspection. Each batch is registered for full traceability. Precision sensors confirm the sheet meets knife manufacturing standards.
Operators validate the incoming material before processing.
The steel now moves into the preparation area.
Surface dust is removed to ensure flawless cutting later.
The sheet is aligned so every knife blank begins straight.
Manual inspection adds another layer of quality assurance.
Each stainless steel coil is positioned with precision before entering the main line. The unrolling sheet is guided forward, ready for its first transformation. Powerful industrial rollers compress the steel to perfect uniformity. The prepared steel advances toward the heart of the operation, the cutting line. Before cutting begins, every sheet is visually inspected for surface imperfections. Any detected flaw is manually cleaned to maintain McDonald's strict blade standards. Pressurized water removes microscopic particles that could affect blade precision.
Industrial air knives ensure the steel is perfectly dry for the next stage.
Steam treatment eliminates residue that could interfere with precision shaping. For every sheet enters perfectly aligned for the preparation cycle. Microbrushing gives the steel a flawless surface finish. Edge rollers eliminate burrs that could affect the blade final contour. Laser mapping scans every millimeter to detect imperfections invisible to the human eye.
A final hand clean ensures no contaminants remain before shaping.
Workers mount the prepared steel onto feeders that guide it to the cutting blades. Calibration systems synchronize the sheet for perfect knife outline cutting. Precise alignment prepares the steel for its first major transformation. With preparation complete, the steel enters the core cutting phase.
The first shaping cut removes excess steel, carving the raw silhouette of each knife.
CNC machines refine the outline with micron-level accuracy.
Heavy grinding smooths the blade's perimeter into a clean working form,
A high tonnage press creates the ergonomic handle cutout. The first bevel cut begins shaping the sharp edge geometry.
A secondary bevel defines the final blade angle used by McDonald's chefs.
Precision lasers ensure every knife blank meets strict uniformity standards. Rivet holes are drilled with exact spacing for durable handle attachment. Automated sanders remove burrs and prepare the blank for heat treatment. Induction heating brings the steel to forging temperature. Rapid quenching locks hardness into the forming knife core. Tempering ensures a balance of strength and flexibility.
Precision polishing clears oxidation and prepares blades for final shaping.
The hardened blank is complete, ready for precision sharpening and finishing. Phase 4 begins as blades enter the precision sharpening line.
High-grit wheels form the primary bevel that defines cutting performance.
A secondary fine cut refines the bevel to professional kitchen standards.
Micro-honing perfects the cutting edge to achieve effortless slicing. Stropping eliminates burrs, leaving a flawless mirror edge. Laser inspection verifies the exact edge angle required for professional use.
Heat finishing locks structural stability into the razor-thin edge. Rapid air cooling preserves hardness and prevents warping.
Laser etching adds identification marks used across global McDonald's kitchens.
Optical systems confirm every marking is crisp and perfectly aligned. Before assembly, each blade is thoroughly cleaned for maximum hygiene.
High-speed dryers remove all moisture, preparing the blade for bonding.
Precision jigs stabilize the blade, ensuring perfect handle alignment. With sharpening complete, the blades enter the automated handle production line. Phase 5 begins as the factory prepares molten polymer for handle molding. Molten polymer flows around the tang, creating a durable, ergonomic handle. A controlled cooling cycle ensures the handle cures without internal stress. When the molds open, each knife emerges with its handle perfectly fused.
Excess polymer is trimmed to give each handle a clean, uniform profile.
Fine sanding prepares the handle for its textured finish. A precision roller embosses the non-slip texture required in fast-paced kitchens.
Spray coaters add a protective finish that withstands heavy restaurant use.
Heat curing locks the outer coating, creating a long-lasting professional surface.
Each handle undergoes torque testing to confirm structural integrity. Balance testing delivers the precise weight distribution chefs expect.
Polishing brings out the final finish, readying the knife for inspection.
Expert technicians confirm every handle meets global McDonald's standards. With assembly complete, the knives enter advanced quality control. Each blade is checked for finish, alignment, and precise McDonald's branding. Each branded knife now enters rigorous quality evaluation.
Inspectors verify edge uniformity and engraving clarity.
Every knife must cut flawlessly without hesitation.
Flex tests conferred resilience under real kitchen stress.
Consistency in blade geometry is mandatory.
Hardness values determine long-term durability.
Handle integrity is inspected with precise torque tests.
Finish checks ensure a flawless final appearance. Alignment lasers confirm each blade's perfect geometry. Stress simulations mimic high-speed restaurant use.
Reference matching guarantees brand standard precision.
Metal detection ensures total structural purity.
Only fully approved knives move to sample verification. Final sampling ensures every batch meets strict quality standards. With quality approved, the knives move to final packaging.
Each knife is aligned for protective sleeving.
Guards prevent blade damage before boxing.
Each knife is boxed with precision for global shipment. Automated sealers secure every package reliably. Labels ensure traceability across the supply chain.
Inspectors verify branding accuracy and proper knife placement inside every sample box.
Boxes are consolidated for warehouse storage.
Industrial wrap protects the shipment in transit. Forklifts transport final batches into storage.
Every pallet is logged and stored for distribution.
Once loaded, shipments are secured for transport. And this is how modern factories produce McDonald's professional kitchen knives from start to finish.